Welcome to Mirror True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Mirror True Life Story. God bless you. My lovely fans, Juju Ekwensu this period, her body dey hot. Juju Ekwensu body dey hot. Juju Ekwensu dey every main nation page. If you are a blogger blogging about, if you are blogging about you this period, Juju Ekwensu is on your page. She dey follow all pages they go. She won't hear the latest. She won't know wetin dey happen. Because at this point, she don't even know anything. She's been locked up inside her house. Inside your house for Abuja. She's been locked up there. So Juju Ekwensu don't know what is happening. She don't have idea of anything. She just dey follow all social media they go. Like this one is going crazy. Chai. Juju Ekwensu don still talk another one. Is this the period of confession? Juju Ekwensu, if something is pushing you to go and confess, madam, confess, oh. Confess and set yourself free. My lovely fans. Juju Ekwensu Romasi Mami Water is restless. According to her, she said May Edochie is innocent. May Edochie no offend her. She said May Edochie not do anything. She said May Edochie is a good woman. She said May Edochie is a good woman. He said May Edochie not do anything. She said everything which she dey do now, wetin they tell her, make she do. She said, but there is still somebody that trigger her, that makes her to be dragging May Edochie. She said she don't finally find out the truth. According to Una Ekwensu Romasi Mami Water, Ekwensu Romasi Mami Water say, all those time when she dey drag May Edochie for line, they do everything. She said number one, it was what they asked her to do. They say me provoke May Edochie, provoke May Edochie, provoke me she trigger May Edochie. Then she said number two, now because of the message when she dey see for your phone. According to Juju Ekwensu Romasi Mami Water say, for inside your phone, the kind of message when she dey see, dey shock her. She say inside your phone, you go see message of you appreciating May Edochie. You are the most beautiful thing that has ever happened to me. You are the best woman in the world. You are my light. You are my everything. I love you from the depth of my heart. Please, May Edochie, we can still come back together. It is never too late. Juju Ekwensu cannot be an obstacle. If you're ready to take me back, I am ready to leave her. Juju Ekwensu said, how will you feel as a woman? A man that is publicly showing to the world that he cares so much. Meanwhile, behind closed door, all you do was sending May Edochie 100 messages a day. You say May Edochie, Juju Ekwensu say you tell and say, May Edochie block her because say May Edochie block her because she don't want him to have access to his children. Juju Ekwensu say now later she couldn't find out the reason why May Edochie really blocked you. You was sending 100 messages a day. According to Ekwensu Romasi Mami Water, she say all those times when I see she and you, when they dance, if they call you Mami Water, I don't care, I don't care. Call you Agbanje, I don't care, I don't care. All those times when I see her, they dance all those dance. All those times when I see her, they shout, it's a Mary Jofo. He said, this man was sending 100 messages a day to May Edochie. A day, 100 messages. The woman was forced to block him. May Edochie block you. You see that number? That number when you tell the caller, May Edochie come put as business number. She now take another private number. So when you call the call, now the people where they say for May Edochie, now they call the pick a call before he can rest for May Edochie body. Juju Ekwe is to say more than 100 messages where you they send. You go they beg May Edochie. Meanwhile, this man will come out publicly and pretend as if he don't care. Juju Ekwe is to say she was going through hell. She was going through hell. Juju Ekwe is to say inside the house, inside the relationship with you, she said it was tough. Juju Ekwe is to say it was tough. Say if we fry dodo, say your best food now beans and dodo. Say if she cook beans, you say no be so May Edochie dey cook am. May Edochie on the soft. May Edochie on go press. He say go fry dodo. Go say you go tell. He say you go tell and say you don't know how to fry the kind of dodo when I like. You need to fry it like May Edochie. May Edochie on all the two bone. It will just the average. She said there is nothing when she dey do with this man dey please. She said there is nothing when she dey do when you dey happy. She said the relationship was hell. It was hell with you. Every small thing, my wife. He said if anywhere just dirty for us, he said you go say, May Edochie also have children, but you can never see sand in a house. Why is everywhere dirty? Why is the house unkept? Say go say, these children, they are stressed. Go say you go tell and say, which kind stress? May Edochie have children, but her house is always neat. And she's a working woman. Her house is always clean. He says sometimes she go cook. You go say the food not taste like May Edochie. You don't know what May Edochie they add join soup. That taste of that thing when May Edochie they add join her soup. He can't feel it in Juju Ekwe so. Juju Ekwe is say this na food when she go use. Juju Ekwe is say this na food when she go use all her strength to cook. He said this one will say not taste like May Edochie. He said is it momo? She not gonna do momo again. He said you say it's not like May Edochie momo. There is a way May Edochie do her momo, it will be red. He said I can say okay, maybe she dey put many tatashi. Maybe she still dey put tatashi. That red pepper. See me still dey put them. He say you put them you say the taste is not there. Juju Ekwe say she was forced to start attacking May Edochie. She thought that May Edochie was using charms. That's why you cannot get off May Edochie out of his head. You see, I say all these side chick, they all see the red flag. But they don't just want that red flag to be true. Because these men, they show the red flag. What else do Juju Ekwe need? To believe or to know that you no love her. You don't love Juju Ekwe. It is very obvious and clear. When a man loves you truly from his heart, not be why you pretend for one night. When a man loves you from his heart, you no need to explain. You see it in their doings. Everything where you don't do publicly to our eyes, no one will relate as if you even care about Juju Ekwe. There is nothing. Juju Ekwe says, so all these things make her to believe that May Edochie is using charm. She said there is no way. Nothing wey she never do for this man. Nothing wey she never give this man. This man say they call his wife. Juju Ekwe said one way shock and pass. Before I go into that, let me first welcome you to my wonderful and amazing channel, Mirror True Life Story. Please, if you're watching my video and you've not subscribed, subscription is free. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thumbs up for my video. God bless you. And to all my wonderful and amazing subscribers, I love you all. God bless you. My lovely fans. Juju Ekwensu said, when he come pain a pass, when he pain a tomorrow bone. He said, when you they make love to her. He said, do you know that this man will be screaming me Edoshe name? This man will scream me Edoshe name. He said, go they call me Edoshe name on top of her. He said, now when she will come slack back, say, you come look here. Say, this one not go even see, you know, go even still remember where he did. You know, go even remember saying they called her name. He said, when she will come slack back, he said, when she will come slack back, now this man will come remember, say, not be me Edoshe dey with. He said, they'll still continue. He said, before you know, this man will be screaming the name of me Edoshe. He said, if one day night tell you, you say, enough is enough. How can you be with me and you be screaming the name of your ex-wife? You say, you tell and say, he cannot get over his first wife. He's trying. He cannot. He can't help himself. He don't know what they do. He don't know what they do. He cannot just control himself. If he dey on top of you, he have me Edoshe go just enter head. All he see, all he think about is me Edoshe. Juju Ekwensu say, and then I say, me Edoshe na witch. Me Edoshe na devil. Me Edoshe they use a charm. Me Edoshe they do. Me Edoshe they go native doctor. See, that was how she started attacking me Edoshe. She said the attack when she don't attack me Edoshe. He said sometimes she dey reason and say, how did Somate survive? Say she never knew that me Edoshe hands are clean. That's why she survived everything. She said the wicked person there is you. It's you. She said she don't already enter the game. She don't already dey inside. Where she won't go. The whole world will laugh at her. She says she's at a stage now that not only the social media is a problem, our village people are a problem also. A lot of them are waiting for her to leave this marriage with their laugh. A lot of our village people, they are waiting for her. They don't already, they prepare, they wait for her. Make she just waka come up for the marriage. She say where she won't go. The shame, the disgrace, the laughter, she not go feel survival. Say now she take hang for there. She say her eye sick when for that marriage. The person wey Juju Ekwensu dey tell her best friend, come tell Juju Ekwensu say, why not just leave that marriage? Without bringing it out on social media. Juju Ekwensu say, where you say me for start? Where her family want for start? Say the marriage can be like trap. She said the relationship, sorry guys, I always say marriage because she they call her marriage. They make me they call marriage. So she said the relationship can be like trap to her. My lovely fan, Juju Ekwensu romance Mami Water say she not fit come out. She not fit come out. She say her eye sick when. She said she thought that me Edoshe was shamming you to come back to her. She said now she the tell Bola warriors. Say me Edoshe wants you back. It's too late. She have collected him. She thought that me Edoshe was doing charm. You know, say the woman not even send. That woman don't wash off her hands of this man. She said she never knew she was fighting herself. Only she they fight herself. Me Edoshe not even send down. Me Edoshe not even send the same yo. Say now one day when you come, he come put something for you drink. Make it sleep tea, make it sleep off. He come carry your phone. He say now he can control your phone. Say he can control her. He say now he can see all the messages when you dey send go give me Edochie. He say not even one me Edochie reply. Not even one. He say he can't see the message where he can't tell no say this you na bad person. You can't write message say, I know you've blocked me. I know you've blocked me. I've been begging you. Juju Ekwensu is not the problem. If you want us to settle, nah, I will chase her out of my life. I don't care about her. What I care about is you. I want us to come back again. Juju Ekwensu say na there in shock. He say all this message when you write, he say no one reply from me Edochie. Me Edochie no reply one. She no even say hello. She no nothing, no reply from me Edochie. He say na there no say this woman is an innocent woman. He say even when he say those times when you go come, you go say me they can't do video. He say no say because say me Edochie refuse to accept you out of anger. Now you to they do all those videos. Till they pepper me Edochie. She go still support because she feels say me Edochie was a threat to her marriage because of the message when they see you they send. She thought that me Edochie was using charm to collect you back. She dey do her own to let me Edochie know say she don't collect the man. Meanwhile, you they do you they dance his own to pepper me Edochie because she refused to accept him back. She said it took her time before she knows that she be Mugu. She was a Mugu. She was fighting herself. This woman not even send her. Say the time when she go take build her life, build herself, build her career. Say use them. Say go they follow you they fight lost battle. She said she thought having said those things now make her they born children. Make you for not go back to me Edochie. She can't they rush the born children for you. He said can't they rush the born children. Make you for not return to me Edochie. Hey, Chineke, my people. Juju Ekwensu say see her life now. Abandoned, suffering. He say you don't love her. Say you don't love her. She's just trying to prove to the world that all is well. But deep inside her, all is not well. She's buying slowly. Slowly. Everybody's against her. Even the you. All of them, they are against her. Juju Ekwensu say me Edochie is innocent. Me Edochie never wrong her. She have never said anything to her. He said me Edochie never said anything to her. She said she even went as far with a private secret account. When she tell they stalk me Edochie, she buy number. Use until they stalk me Edochie. He said no reply. He said that number, he said insult. He said when me Edochie say the number continue insult. Me Edochie just block the number. That's all. She just blocked that number. Hi, my lovely fans. Juju Ekwensu say no know where to start from. She don't know where to start from. Her life is frustrated. He say me Edochie is innocent. Me Edochie not do anything. Me Edochie has never wronged her. She said the person will wrong her and you. He say everything when you tell her, all lies. All the promises, all lies. Chai, my people. Juju Ekwensu do they regret her life. As I they talk to una, so check your, if you're a blogger, check your page. Juju Ekwensu they stalk everybody they go now. She won't know what they happen. Because now she don't they regret. You don't go lock her for Abuja. In there, Asaba, they turn up and down. The Nakademus guests they go. Meanwhile, Juju Ekwensu they for Abuja. When the thing they splash and she no fit crash again, she'll buy ticket through and go meet you. They beg you make you naka. The stage where she did now, she said she dey beg you to naka. The man no dey gree knack am again. She go dey beg before this man go knack am. He say if you won't give am feed the money, he go beg. Everything she dey beg. See the way you dey treat am. Say now she know why May Edochie never said a word. Now she know why May Edochie never fought for this man. Say she don't buy market. She don't enter one chance. Hey, my people, one dash shall never end. Now the period of confession, I Juju Ekwesu come dey now. Juju Ekwesu don dey talk strange things when he dey surprise us. My lovely fans, leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.